Welcome to the project demonstration of water quality monitoring system. So here the quality parameters which we are monitoring in this project are turbidity from this turbidity sensor, which will provide the analog output from this driver circuitry, and also temperature of the water. So that will be monitored by the LM35 temperature sensor. So interfacing connections to the PIC microcontroller. So the PIC 16F73 microcontroller is connected between the two input modules of turbidity and temperature, and it will display the so-called status continuously on the LCD, which is connected at B2 to B7 pins, and also output through the ESP8266 module to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform. Continuously it will send the so-called parameters to the ThinkSpeak. So coming to the connections from the input modules, like we have interfaced the turbidity sensor at A1 and LM35 at A0 pins. As we said, B2 to B7 is LCD and B0 B1 for the ESP8266 module. Coming to this motherboard, we are going to provide the input voltage to this adapter. So the adapter will take the 230 volts input and provide the 5 volts constant regulated power supply. And once a power supply of 5 volts is given to the source voltage to the microcontroller, controller, it start reading input from the input sensors and display the output on the LCD module. So in this motherboard, so this is the reset switch just to restart the microcontroller, and this one is a crystal oscillator which is provided 20 megahertz of oscillating frequency, and this green LED is a programming LED indication. It will blink 2 times, and next is the power LED indication. So let us see the demonstration. So before switching on the switch, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So just go to hotspot settings and change the hotspot name to project 4769, and the next password 123456789. After changing these two settings, switch on the hotspot along with data. Okay, and now log into the thinkspeak.com. So now we can see the right. So these are the parameters which we have already stored into the cloud platform. Now after enabling the hotspot only, switch on the switch. Now we can see the live data displaying on the LCD. So as of now there is no water input. Now the turbidity is around 20 to 2700 change. So we can see that one device got connected to our module. Right, so we can see the data got entered here. Right, so we can see the date and time and so-called value of the temperature, same turbidity also. And now we are going to place this inside the water. So as we are using the clear water, now the turbidity value displaying on the LCD in nephometric turbidity units, and temperature is in degree centigrade value. So data will be uploaded to the ThinkSpeak cloud platform for every 12 to 15 seconds of duration. In that duration only, the ThinkSpeak will accept the data and plot the so-called parameters on the graph. So if you want to clear vision of this data, so you can download and you clear the channel. So just data import or export, go to that, and now click on download, and the data will be downloaded. So you can open that. It will be open in Excel sheet as it is a comma separated file format. So in this we can see the right. So this is the date and time at which we have received the data, and how many data got entered, and next temperature and turbidity values. So now you can clear the old data. So for that, go to channel settings, and in that only do clear channel, don't do other things, only clear channel. And after that, now go to the private view. So wait for till the new data will be arrived here. Now it will be plotting from the starting onwards. So like this we can download the data, and after that we can clear the old data, and from now onwards we will get the new data here. Same here we can see that the temperature value, and now it is the turbidity value. So it will keep on sending the data to the cloud platform of ThinkSpeak for every 12 to 15 seconds of duration. Right. Thank you.